Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. In today's video, I'm going to prepare a sweet, spicy tomato chutney which is served during pujas. It's special during Durga Puja. For that, here I'm taking 4 tomatoes and we need to roughly chop them. Make sure you are taking ripe tomatoes for an enhanced taste. Here I'm heating up a frying pan. Once oil is heated up, adding pinch of panch phoron, 2 bay leaves and 3 red chilies. We'll allow everything to cook for a while in low flame. Here I'm adding the tomatoes and we'll give this a good mix. Adding pinch of turmeric powder and pinch of salt as we want the chutney to be sweet. Mix this well, cover and allow it to cook in low flame. Keep checking in between. Here our tomatoes are about 60% cooked and at this point we can add sweetener. I am adding 2 spoons of jaggery. You can also add sugar or date syrup instead of jaggery. Mix it well, cover and allow it to cook for a few minutes. Once the tomatoes become soft, lightly mash it, switch off the flame, cover and keep it aside. Serve this hot along with khichdi, rice or whatever you prefer. So that's all for today's video. I hope you liked this video. If you did, do make sure to like this video, leave a comment and subscribe to the channel. Until we meet next time, stay healthy and happy. Bye-bye.